Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making delicious custard ice cream. Smooth, creamy and full of classic custard flavor. This easy homemade recipe is perfect for any time dessert. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, add 3 tablespoons custard powder and half cup milk. Mix well to make a smooth mixture. And keep aside. In a pan, add 2 cups milk. This dessert is very popular in homemade recipes. And let it boil. Add 1/4 cup sugar and mix well. Now pour in the custard mixture. Keep stirring continuously. Stir continuously while cooking to avoid sticking. And cook until the mixture thickens. Pour into a bowl and let it cool for 5 minutes. Cover with foil and keep in the fridge for 30 minutes. Custard ice cream has a rich and classic flavor loved by all ages. After chilling, beat the mixture for 2 to 3 minutes. Always mix custard powder without lumps. In another bowl, take 1 cup whipping cream. Beat until soft peaks form. Add the custard mixture and mix well until smooth. Pour into a 5-inch mold. Add dry fruits on top. You can customize it with fruits or nuts. Freeze for 6 to 8 hours. Freeze properly for a perfect creamy texture. Milk provides calcium and essential nutrients. Homemade dessert avoid preservatives. Dry fruits add healthy fats and vitamins. Controlled sugar makes it a better option. Custard powder gives a smooth and creamy texture. Your creamy custard ice cream is ready. Serve chilled and enjoy with family. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more easy dessert recipes.